Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm comparing Mountain Rose Herbs essential oils to Young Living essential oils. Before we get started though, I have this cutie little diffuser to share with you guys. I just did a reel on my Instagram, so go there if you want to see. I'll actually just put some of those clips here so you can see it too, like unboxing and setting it up. Basic, like how a usual diffuser works. The difference though is this is glass. The reservoir, the lid is glass. The little plate on the inside is not plastic, and this is real wood. This button is metal. There is the very bottom here is plastic, but nothing that the essential oils touch is plastic, which I love. You know how you get that just end of the cycle or the end of the water like smell of just like blah, like the oils are gone and it's just like a plasticky diffuser, like it just smells weird. You do not get that. This is so cute too. They have other shapes too, so there's a dome. I will say this is a pretty small diffuser, so if you're looking for something large for a large room, this isn't going to work. It's going to be for a small space. But I was looking, I can't see, I think it's 100 milliliters. I'll put that for sure down below, but you guys will love this. They're affordable too. I'll put their website and the link to Amazon to shop down below. Make sure you guys check them out. Okay, Mountain Rose Herbs. I tried them a while ago. I ordered them a couple months ago, and I was really excited. It was one of the brands that you guys really wanted me to compare to. And I will say, just spoiler alert, it's very good. It is. I have in my notes to share that if I had to only choose one essential oil company to use, it might be Mountain Rose Herbs, because they have pretty much everything that I'm looking for in an essential oil company. So I have the outline. I'm going to talk about price comparisons, do a little smell test, share some other products that I have from them. And before we start, I did make like an official list of comparisons that I still have to do from requests from you guys. I have doTERRA, Jade Bloom, Now Essential Oils, Aura Cassia, if I can say that one, Aromatics International, Nature's Oil from Bulk Apothecary, and then Emerald Essential Oils. That's my list currently. So if you have any others that you want me to compare to Young Living or any other brand, let me know in the comments right now. Okay, so Young Living and Mountain Rose Herbs. It's confusing, they're so similar. Okay, Young Living was founded in '93, which is respectable. That's a really long time to be a successful company, like still. Respect to that. Mountain Rose Herbs was founded in '87, so a little bit older. And I love that because it shows that they have stood the test of time, that they're still a successful essential oil company. So they do have stores. Mountain Rose Herbs has like an in-person store. I'll put the link and information about that below. So if you're in Oregon, I believe that's where they are. Let me just see. One of these says it, yes, Oregon. I think Portland, so I'll put that below if you're interested. I would love that, and I would probably be there every week if I lived close to one. Mountain Rose Herbs is a mission-based company whose motto is people, plants, and planet before profit. And I love that. And as you'll see through this whole video, I really love everything about them. All right, pricing. You guys, every time I do one of these pricing comparisons, I am more and more shocked each time I do one with Young Living's pricing. It used to not faze me as much, but it's crazy. They're so expensive. So this is a price comparison for 15 milliliter bottles. So your standard, well, I don't want to say standard, but the larger size, there's usually two size essential oil bottles, 5 and 15. I'll hold up both so you can see. The price comparison that I'm going to do is on the larger one. So Young Living, and also, I always get like, I don't want to say clap back, but I always get comments on like, if I'm sharing these comparisons, I need to share Young Living's member price. But I don't think that, because that's another step you have to take. That's another thing that you have to do to become a member to get that price, where the price for Mountain Rose Herbs is not that. You go on, you buy the product, and that's the price. You don't have to become a member. So that is the fair comparison, I believe. So if you disagree, let me know in the comments. But okay, Young Living Lavender, $35.86, and Mountain Rose Herbs, $17.25. Crazy. And I think that was organic lavender too, like certified organic lavender, which Young Living says that they are, but they don't have any certifications. So it is what it is with them. Lemon, 15 mil, Young Living, $17.11, and Mountain Rose Herbs, $9.75. Peppermint, 15 mil, Young Living is $32.57, and Mountain Rose Herbs is $12.25. So it's easy, especially when these are organic. So I'll just show you this bottle. Certified organic eucalyptus. Ooh, that's kind of bright. Sorry if you can't see. But their oils are the same, if not better quality than Young Living, and that pricing really says a lot about the structure of Young Living's business. It's hard for me. It's the further I get away from it, it's just harder for me to justify their prices. And if you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments, but it's always a thing with them. That's probably the number one thing. Quality and testing. Mountain Rose Herbs was one of the first herbal product companies to establish and run a full microbial and analytical lab on site, allowing to offer complete and sophisticated certificates of analysis. Our botanicals are analyzed and measured for identity, microbial, chemical, and physical contaminants. If any material fails to meet the specifications, learn how to read, right? It is not released into our production area. So similar with Young Living, like if they test and if it's not up to their standards, they don't use it, which is good. Every company should be like that. Test results are available for Mountain Rose Herbs by fax or email, from what I have found doing my research. So you have to contact the customer service, and then the testing results are available. So I do appreciate that. And Young Living tests rigorously too, and they show all of that on their website, the Seed to Seal Promise, which I believe. I just don't appreciate the lack of transparency with their test results. So they have the Seed to Seal Promise, and they test, they make sure that their farms are not, they make sure their farms are organic. So they do all of the right things where they say they do, and I do think that, but I just really would appreciate a test. Like, how hard is that? So pros and cons are next. I have Mountain Rose Herbs first. So they have essential oils, and I'll show you the ones that I have. And this was in a little kit. So that's like my favorite way to buy oils if you're starting with a company, because it's usually a good deal. And they usually pair together like some good oils, you know, that you're going to use, like common essential oils. This kit had lavender, sweet orange, tea tree, eucalyptus, and Oregon peppermint. I did a full unboxing and my first impression on this brand, Mountain Rose, in a previous video, so I'll try to link that below. But I'll show a couple of these just so you can see, again, kind of their label and packaging. All of the oils that I received have this like child safety lid, which if you're familiar with Young Living, they have that on, excuse me, specific oils, but not all. So you kind of have to push down and twist, which, I don't know, just a mention, but not either like a pro or con. But all of their oils smell very good, like they should. This is sweet orange, which I do love a sweet orange. I have, oh, and I was gonna do, I'll do smell comparisons now, I guess, before I do pros and cons. I don't have a sweet orange from Young Living because I don't think they have one. So I thought it would just be fun to do a random smell test of the Simply Earth Sweet Orange. That's the other one that I do have. So this one is very fresh and sweet. It smells so good. It's like an orange peel, but with sugar. I don't know. And this one is a little bit different. I'm getting a little bit more peel. This bottle is a little bit older. That always matters. But this one is a little bit more like the lemon peel, where this one is just a little bit sweeter. And then the rest I have just Young Living and Mountain Rose to compare. So eucalyptus, this is eucalyptus globulus, and this is certified organic. So I'll do a smell test here. And some of my Young Living bottles are getting pretty old, so just a side note. Ooh, super fresh, like that medicinal smell. Oh, super awakening. I needed that actually. And then Young Living's a little bit more dull. Again, that's probably because this bottle is a little bit older. But still just super good, like soothing. It's like what you think of when your mom is like helping you when you're sick. Peppermint. This is Oregon peppermint. I didn't think to look at the name. Hold on. This is mentha piperita, and so is this. So same Latin name. Peppermint. I love. Ooh. I got like ooh, it kind of has an undernote of like the plant part, like not just all mint. It's kind of like plant, like greenery. Same. When I breathe out through my mouth, I kind of taste the plant. Is that weird? Okay, so almost exact same. Lavender and lavender. This one is Vitality, but if you didn't know, these are the same oils in these bottles. They just label them for ingestion, which I do like and appreciate. Young Living, I do. We use a lot of the Vitality oils. Lavandula angustifolia. Oh, Frankie scared me. Flowering top oil. This one. See, lavender is the one, like peppermint usually just smells like peppermint. Lavender is the one where it can smell a little bit different. So, get another smell. They're pretty much, they're very similar. Again, this one just is a newer bottle. I think they're the exact same. I think that was it. One more. Let's see. What's this one? Oh, Tea Tree. Frankie joined us. Okay, Tea Tree just has the universal, like, gasoline mixed with a tree. It's very beneficial oil. Like, it's super powerful, antimicrobial, antibacterial, all of that, but it just smells terrible. Don't make the mistake of putting it in your diffuser. Okay, I think what's next? So we have pros and cons next. And Mountain Rose Herbs has lots of products, which I love because it's like your one-stop shop. And one of the reasons that I would say it would be the brand that I chose if I only had to pick one for the rest of my life. So they have oils, sprays, perfume, candles, herbs, which I'll talk about in a minute. Spices, seasonings, teas, carrier oils, and DIY ingredients that you might need, herbal extracts, bath and body products, containers, home goods, and books and education. So we also, I have a reel on my Instagram too of this, but we got some of their spices and it has changed our cooking game. Seriously, they're so good. We have, this is all purpose. One of the ones we use the most. We got a grilling herbs, just I think like 5 maybe different ones. They're very well priced, just like their oils. And these are certified USDA organic, so I love that. And you know they're sourcing them from good places too. This is pumpkin pie spice. I've been making lots of like pumpkin cream cold foam, all kinds of coffees and like, you know, desserts, all the pumpkin stuff. Okay, so the next thing I have for pros, they go above and beyond with being a good moral company. People, planet, plants, is that all the P's? Before profit. And prices are great, as I've already said. They have larger bottles, so if you want to buy something, like you use lavender, you go through your little bottle so much, you can get a 30 ml or bigger, I think. So go on there and check out their sizing. Advanced Herbs and Natural Living Company, they have so many resources on their website, and they do like webinars, I think, and classes, and so like a lot of herbalism too, so I love that. I am getting more into that, and like different teas and different things. I love the spices as well. Okay, pros for Young Living. Community. It's always good to be in community, so that's what it is. You're joining with someone, and so you'll always have someone like personal, hopefully, if you join a good person in kind of guiding you and helping you. Let's see. Rewards points. They have a really good rewards program. One of the reasons that I'm still shopping with them, that and my girls will not take any other kids multivitamin except for theirs. Like, tried them all, and that is the only one. And they also take their probiotics. So those are the two things that we get monthly still, but we get points back. So I think it's 1.25. I don't even know. I haven't looked in a while, but you get the dollar amount back, and then you can redeem for products. Not every single product on their website, which is kind of a bummer, but most products. And I just did an unboxing of my free points redemption order. It was like $200 worth of product. So that's a pro, and I'll always mention that. I like that about Young Living. And Young Living also has tons of different products, Bath and Body. The supplements, like I said, like hand soaps, all kinds of different products, like weight loss. They have makeup. My favorite concealer of all time is from Savvy Minerals, which is their makeup. So they have a bunch of different products too. The con, and really the only con I would say with all of that is the price is ridiculous. So it's just is what it is. Okay, cons for Mountain Rose Herbs. The testing isn't just automatically put on the website. You can't just go on and for Simply Earth, they have I thought they did. Yeah, Simply Pure Promise. And this is the same with Rocky Mountain and a couple of brands that I use. They'll have a number, like a batch number, and you can go and look up testing results. So Young Living cons, controversy. I feel like they're always... they always have some drama going on. MLM, so that's the business structure. So you have to be under someone, and then they want you to build a team as well. So that's just how their business works. And then their pricing will always be a con for me. I don't understand why their pricing is so outrageous. Okay, so I will put the links to shop down below. I'm no longer a Young Living brand partner, but if you want to shop with them, I will put the link to one of my friends' Instagram so we can chat with her about it. Mountain Rose Herbs link will be below. It's an affiliate link. I will also put the link to this cutie little diffuser down below, so make sure you check that out. And the other ones that they have a dome one. It's really cute as well. And I think that is it. Let me know if you have any questions or comments on anything that I talked about or shared. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.